working.
It is? It is working. Hi guys, so manguha ko gulay guys. Gabiing dako. Kay wala pa man ko nakaluto kay busy. I mean, dili good busy pero nako gibuhat ba.
Oh shit, there's a couple of them in here growing.
So, ha?
There's like 3.
I know, so nagkuha ko og
And there's a chili.
kamunggay guys, Filipino gulay man ni guys. Oh, mga paborito, magsabaw ko guys, maglawoy ko man akong gikuha kay lawoy man. Guys, napusla na gid ang tanan guys, na enjoy na ba, na benefits na. So pasalamat ano, ha? What happened? What happened?
Nothing.
Oh.
You just lighten this up.
Na kung ba na guys, bago pa na siya naabot gikan sa trabaho guys, hapit na alas 10 sa gabi eh. Grabe yung kayod na mo karon kay sus, balo na mo. Magkuha ko aning kuan guys. Magkuha ko anang unsa ni, maning kamot gyud ta guys kay di man ta dato. Wala man gi hand ang tanan, wala gi nakabalandra lang ba. Kailangan magtrabaho gyud, trabahoan ang tanan bago makaangkon og something. So mana siya karon, ang diskarte trabaho gyud og insakto kay aron magkanaa. Kay kung dili mag ning kamot, wait dyan mo. So aron na guys, istorya ra na nga tinuod, truth na siya guys. So anyways, manguha ko og kangkong, ay kamatis guys. Oh, kuhaan guro na ako ni kay ano man ni green kamatis atong gulayon. Bahala green atong gulayon. Hapit naman ang winter good mo ni nga kuan. Hapit na ang winter mo ni nga kailangan na gini siya panghuhaon guys. Yeah, no. Tangan na tog kangkong gamay og magwata og kuan guys sa lugbati. Lami gid ang laoy lugbati. Ato ta sa Pikas Garden guys. Pero kung ba na guys, so nagsubay-subay may sakuan para parte ni gagabi eh. Ano, subay-subay. The moon is coming.
What, baby?
The moon is coming. So, money no.
How are they doing here since I took them out of the ground? Are they surviving?
Yeah, they're okay.
Oh, good. They're still growing.
Yeah, I need to move this
Move what?
in the front there. Oh,
Oh, okay.
later on
Okay. Sorry, I
it's-
ran over this one.
when it's winter. Lami gud kayo ang lawoy guys, basta na ay kanang halugbati. Oh, ay. Uy. I haven't cooked yet. I was a little bit busy though. I did not water today.
Oh, I need to cut this out. I left it out here for you in case you needed it.
Hmm?
These,
Where?
the covers right there.
I've seen that.
You leave those potatoes out on purpose?
Where?
Right there.
Yeah, to maybe if someone will eat it, like a raccoon or rat, whatever.
like a whatchamacallit.
They don't eat it.
Yeah, I need to come out here and grate this with the mower. I got a piece off of Gov Deals
Where?
to build up for the tractor.
Really?
Yeah, $15.
Are you okay to be at the shop? No one being an asshole?
No, not today. I was fully rested.
Wow, good job.
Yeah, no, Marlena came in and asked for her car to be cleaned, so I don't ask me to clean your car. I'm going to clean it good.
Really?
Yeah. I gotta kill those weeds. Well, most of them are dead. But do you see any of these,
She needs her car to be cleaned?
yeah, she has a wedding to go to on Friday, and she just wanted to clean it.
Alright,
I
alright.
detailed it.
Yeah, gotcha.
I sent Chad home at 6 o'clock, and I detailed it. I was gonna actually come home early at 6 o'clock, but I didn't get a chance to do what I wanted to do.
Okay, that's fine. I'm not bugging you.
No.
Whatever.
I brought in some cars so I could show you some things.
Really?
I'm gonna teach you how to drive with small cars.
Are you gonna put that here at home?
No, they're in the house.
No, are you gonna put that here at home?
But what?
For me to drive? Just put it there in the driveway?
No. I got small cars.
To live here?
Huh?
To stay there in the thing? Huh?
They're the size of they're small cars. I'm gonna show you. Oh, look at you.